Hey guys, so I'm still on Island Highway 19A, headed to Campbell River. Just pulled over at a rest area. I'm going to take a moment and stretch my legs, use the porta potty, take in the view. There's a bit of a view. You can see the ocean. It's good to stretch when you're driving. I'm really excited about setting up camp and trying out this new tent thing that I bought that goes off the side of the van. Probably that side. I'm excited to try that out and have a fire. It's we're headed into fall here on Vancouver Island, which means the rainy season. Fingers crossed though that the weather holds out, because yeah, so let's go stretch our legs, shall we? There are seals out there and I can hear them. It was really cool. Yeah, so I've had a little walk. I'm going to use the porta potty. So I've used the porta potty and now I am hitting the road, getting to Campbell River, having a shower, and then hitting ELK Bay. Maybe I will check out Apple Point. I have not been there yet. It is by a lake, which is nice. I like to be by water, but it's not by the ocean. I'm sorry, guys. ELK Bay wins because no other campsite have I been able to sit at by my fire and watch killer whales swim by. So, and dolphins. Huge dolphin pods. So, ELK Bay wins. Alright guys, time to hit the road. Let's go explore. Find a trail to hike, because I have not hiked in I think like a month, other than urban hiking, which is just like little trails in the cities that people use to exercise and walk their dogs. Besides that, I've not been on a real trail for a good 4 weeks. So let's get out there. There's a trail that I pass every time I go to ELK Bay. It's called Ripple Rock. The Ripple Rock Trail. So I think I'm going to check that trail out, get my hike on, spend some time in nature near the water. I don't think I would have believed you if you had told me a year ago that I would be living this life right now. I have been wanting to for years and watching other people live this way, and oh my God. And I'm doing it. I'm finally doing it. I have been living in my van since May 1st, 2021. Still in my van, still loving it. And I may want to go bigger into a larger van, but I'm not giving up this nomad life. It's no way. No. Even in the cold weather, I would prefer this than in a sticks and bricks. You guys, if you've been wanting to do it for a long time, been thinking about it and planning and watching other people do it, stop. Just do it. Just do it. I finally did it, and I've never been happier.